Make a lot of rectangles and put it on top of the cardigan to get the size that you want. I have my cardigan best fit for me, and that serves as the size of my cardigan. I will place the link in the description box below on how to make this little rectangle here. It's not really square because it's a little bit longer. We're gonna connect this two piece here. This is the first round and this is the first round. And here we're gonna go in the last round where there is this kind of stitches here. I'm gonna insert my hook here in the very first stitch. Here like that in the last row. And as well as in the other side or the other piece, insert your hook in the first stitch. Make a slip knot and pull. So I'm gonna make a few knots of this two piece here, two leftover stitches, and chain one. Go in the next stitch, insert your hook in the back loop. The one in the front, insert your hook in the back loop. The one in the bottom, insert your hook in the front loop, which is this one here. That is the front loop. Then yarn over and pull through. Repeat, back loop on the top and then front loop in the bottom. And yarn over and pull through. Back loop, front loop, the one that are close to each other, that is the one we want to connect. Like that. Until the last stitch. And it should look like this. And here on the other side. So we're gonna connect this two piece here in the side. As you can see, there is double crochet and then double crochet space. So we want this side here matching to this side here. Insert your hook in the same stitch, this one, and insert your hook here in the same stitch here on the top, and yarn over and pull through. So make sure they are aligned in each row. And then here there's another stitch, insert, and here there's another stitch, insert. I'm still in the first double crochet. Go in the next stitch. I try to take one stitch not here but here in this one here. That's how I get the stitches, and it is much more cleaner. Then grab and pull. So I will just try to get a random stitch that I find here. Just make sure inside of these stitches here, like this, but not here. And just make sure they are aligned. You can use needle also to attach this one, but with a hook, that is how I do it. And connect. Just make sure that in each row are aligned to each other, like this. This row here can align to this row here, like this. You can even use the same stitch here, just not overdoing it. And here in the middle, also as here in the middle, connect just like that. Here, double crochet, and here, double crochet stitch. This one in the middle. Here, this is the middle. repeat that until the end. So I have 2 stitches left here. This is my first double crochet and I did already the last stitch here. So just connect that one, and here also. This is the chain 3. So I am now in the second chain, and this is my last chain. And here also in the bottom, that one. And then I'm gonna stop there. Making sure they are really aligned here. So chain 1, then you can continue for the next color. So this is gonna be the bottom color for me. So I'm gonna just go here and add here on the top. So that's how I connect from this side and this side. Chain 1 and pull tight, really nice. Cut. So I'm gonna connect the rest. One is already connected, so it's gonna be this part here, and I'm gonna connect this part here all the way up. We have 6 parts in total here. So this is the shoulder part area. So 2 pieces on the top, 2 pieces on the top as well on the other side. And as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces that fit here, that fits here. But I want to have about 1 inches length here. So I just estimate that one. I'm gonna place it there. You can count it or you can just estimate it like that. Try to connect this one to here, so you can place the stitch markers if you don't want to be lost. I'm just gonna place this one here, about that one. I'm just gonna connect like this. Insert your hook here. It's the way how we connect in the other. It's up to you how you connect this part here, as long as it is nicely connected. Back loop, normal stitch, yarn over and make a slip stitch. So I'm not gonna go per stitches because we have over stitch in the bottom and only less stitch on the top. So try to make it like that. You can use the same stitch or just connect the one in front of the stitches on top, in front of the piece, like this. Make sure this one is like that. Always check, because in the bottom is much wider than the one on the top. So I'm just going in a random stitch in the bottom, or just exactly in front of the stitches on the top to the bottom, just opposite to that one. So make sure like this, that this looks good. Reaching the last stitch and the stitch marker, take out the stitch marker, and like that. I'm gonna chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. I'm gonna repeat in the other side. make 1 inches here. Don't forget, estimated it like that and connect this part here, just like what we did here. So the 2 piece in the front is already done connected to the piece at the back. And now the arm area, like this, and fold it like this and connect this here. We can connect this part here first, close, so close that first and connect. Connect in a random stitch and just make sure this one is or aligned to each other. Square on the bottom, square on the top, or rectangle size like this. Okay, continue, connect. So just going in a random stitch. So for the arm area, it's a little bit too short, so I decided to add extra layer of rectangle there and just connect it. That's how I get the sizes. So it's very easy, just connect and add more rectangle, connect, and you get the size you want. Chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn, or directly connect it here, no need to cut. So I'm gonna place the stitches here in the bottom. Make sure all the stitches is here and the same size, so when you turn it in the other side, it's all clean in the other side like this. So I'm gonna start connecting this part here. So bottom connect and then another top like this. Connect this here and connect this here all the way around. So I did not connect this yet here. I'm gonna do that later on. I'm gonna start on the top, make sure they are aligned. That's so I'm gonna turn it on the other side. Connect in a random stitch. This, so we are almost done. I'm reaching the end. Connect that one here, the last stitch. So as you can see, this is already connected, and let's see, like this. And now I'm gonna just connect this part here, the side of the pullover, this one. Now we're continuing to connect this 2 piece here. So try to close this a little bit here, because this one is the underarm area, that there's no big hole. So connect that one until here. And this is how it look like. For the yarn that I use, I just use whatever yarns that I have here, but I have so much the same kinds of yarns that is bulky weight yarn, and I just gather all of them in different colors. And yeah, I decided to make this cardigan and put them all together, and it seems really nice and cute, and I'm happy with the results. Let me know how your project turned out, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends who wants to learn how to crochet. And that's it. See you. Bye. Happy crochet.